this is problem number 10 from section 4.6. In this problem it says, suppose that a parking attendant can wait on 70 cars per hour and that cars arrive randomly at a rate of X cars per hour. Then the average number of cars waiting in line can be estimated by n of x and this function here. Complete parts A through C. So x equals cars per hour, and n of x is the average number of cars waiting. So for part A, they want us to find n of 35, meaning we have 35 cars per hour. We're going to plug that in there and we get 35 squared over 4,900 minus 70 times 35. Now I'm going to use my calculator to cheat on this a little bit. I'm going to say 35 stored as x. Let's type in the actual function using a fraction. X squared over 4,900 minus 70x. This is a work smarter, not harder type thing here. That gives you a half. So, average number of cars waiting is 1/2. So half a car. So that's not very much. Half a car waiting, that's you're not waiting very long. Now let's do n of 69. So we're going to do 69 squared over 4,900 minus 70 times 69. Now I'm going to plug in 69 here. So 69 stored as x. Grab that function again. And let's do math decimal 68.68. So 68 cars. Holy smokes. So we went from 35 cars per hour arriving randomly to 69 cars per hour arriving randomly. And now we're waiting, right? Instead of a half a car, we're waiting 68 cars at a time. Holy smokes, that's a lot. All right, B. Explain what happens to the length of the line as x approaches 70. The length of the line increases dramatically. Okay, part C. Find any vertical asymptotes of the graph of n. So vertical asymptote, remember to find a vertical asymptote, we set the denominator equal to 0, right? Set the denominator equal to 0. So we're going to take 4,900 minus 70x, and we're setting it equal to 0. Let's add the 70x over, so it's 4,900 equals 70x. Divide by 70 on each side, and we end up with x equal 4,900 divided by 70, I believe is 70. It is. So we have a vertical asymptote at x equals 70. Meaning that this function is approaching this x value of 70, and as it approaches this x value of 70, it increases dramatically. All right, it's going towards infinity, positive infinity. Hope that makes sense.